Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here I have a Gaggia Classic. This machine was brought in because its steam pressure was too low, and what we found is that the steam assembly, this little ring here, had, I don't know if you can see it, had a crack in it, and also this part was kind of gunked up with some milk deposits, and as well as this one. So we just went ahead and replaced the whole thing. It just makes it a lot easier. So let's test it. And that is really good pressure for a Gaggia Classic. Looking good. And now we'll pull a shot. Looking good. There's a little air in there still from the steam. Proper technique would have been to have let the machine finish expelling its steam before you brew the shot, but for time's sake in this video, we do them back to back. In any case, you can see that it is brewing coffee and the steam is nice and strong once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.